Welcome to the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a simple egg-free chocolate mousse. A chocolate mousse is a very basic component required in pastry. Making this correctly will make or break your dessert. A lot of people miss out on a few tips and tricks while making a chocolate mousse. We'll cover that in detail today. Let's get started. To make the mousse, we have taken 100 grams of fresh cream, 100 grams of chocolate callets or chopped chocolate, and 200 grams of whipping cream. Let's start by whipping the cream first since it's going to take some time. While the cream is whipping, let's move on to heating the fresh cream. Pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate or chocolate callets and stir well. Make sure there are no lumps of the chocolate remaining. Make sure to maintain the temperature of your ganache in between 35 to 40 degrees Celsius before you fold in your cream. Make sure that the cream is whipped to soft peak consistency so that it's easy to fold in the ganache inside the cream later. Always remember to fold the lighter element inside the heavier element. In this case, we are going to fold the cream inside the ganache and not the other way around. By doing so, you will ensure to get maximum volume inside your chocolate mousse. This is the right consistency of the mousse to fill inside your silicone molds, and then you can set it in your freezer and demold them after setting them overnight. To fill the mousse in silicone molds, make sure that the mousse is soft so that it goes to all the corners of the mold and there are no gaps left. If the mousse has to be piped in glasses, then rest the mousse for a little while after it's made so that it can be piped and it holds shape. I hope you find this video useful. Do make this chocolate mousse, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Keep following the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel for more such amazing tips, tricks and recipes in the chocolate space.